Have you ever wondered what it's like to board a mega cruise ship? Well, before you board, it's essential to know what to expect to make the most of your first day and ensure smooth sailing throughout your cruise. For a smooth check-in process, complete online check-in before you arrive at the port. Make sure to have all necessary documents ready. Don't stress if you're a little bit early or late to your check-in time on embarkation day. Once you arrive at the port, you'll hand off your luggage to be delivered to your stateroom within a few hours, or you can hold on to it. Pack essentials like medications or swimsuits in your carry-on. You'll go through security, then check-in, and then boarding. Once on board, explore the ship, grab lunch, and relax by the pool. I personally love exploring the ship just to get to know my ways around. Take time to unpack once your luggage arrives at your stateroom. Be sure to also take advantage of embarkation day offers like spa discounts and specialty restaurant reservations. Book all the activities you plan to do throughout your cruise as soon as possible, as they book up pretty quickly. And then comes my favorite part, the sail away party. Be sure not to miss it. Embarkation day pretty much sets the tone for your cruise, so make the most of it and get ready for an incredible journey at sea.